Played like he was young with Spagnuolo again. What a performance.
Listen to him now. Listen to him imploring that team. Now, no wonder they want to call it Tampa Bay. In franchise history.
And Tom Brady doesn't pass the torch quite yet to Mahomes, does he?
No.
Even though
you're looking at the greatest right there. The family celebrating. Mom and dad right there in the center.
there's Brady's parents.
Mom Galen, Tom Sr., the original.
What an amazing run to have a son.
The champagne comes out.
Your son's the greatest who's ever walked, and he's done it the right way his whole career.
It's amazing.
It really is.
Absolutely amazing.
Proud parents indeed. And Tom loves to build everyone else up on this team. That's one of his greatest attributes, Jim. He wants to make everyone else feel special and be a part of it, and he's done that, and they feel him.